My parents are our creators. They've also been our creators of the most beautiful memories through our childhood into adulthood. They've been the architects, interior designers of this beautiful home, and every room has such a special corner in our hearts. I think this home is so special. It's full of warmth and love that our parents have endured with us. Hey, this is Gulnarveer Krishna and welcome to my family home. Hi, come on in. So we're right at the entrance of our home, and this special marble work is mother of pearl done by Rajasthan artisans that we called all the way from there. Come on into our living room now. This is our living room. We've actually divided our living room into two sections. So this is the informal section and that's the formal section. I'd like to show you my most special one over here, Buddha. So I also am a Nichiren Daishonin practitioner. So I've been practicing Buddhism for the last 13 years. And this is a very special corner because sometimes in the evenings I do come here and I read a book. And it's just my way of kind of detoxing and kind of collecting my thoughts through the day. Also, very special curios have been placed. And my mom loves horses. So in most of the corners in the house, you'll see a lot of special horses. So this is our formal seating area in the living room, and all the special curios that you see have a meaning. They've been collected from across the world by my parents. I think every travel of theirs has a special memory, so they bring back something for all of us to also kind of enjoy. And that's what you will see in this special place. We have angels that my mom absolutely loved, and that's why you can see these gorgeous angels with this elephant lot that we got from Yadro especially. So I'm very excited about each of these curios that you will be seeing nicely. And now we enter our dining room. Our dining place is the most special one for the whole family. This is where we sit down for all our meals and we connect, we share, we have a good laugh. And I think this is our safe zone for all of us to just be ourselves. This is a very special piece of art for our family. The inspiration, of course, has been my beautiful mother. All the details that you can see and the entire piece of art has actually been made by gold. And I think as for mom, it was always the small things and the larger picture. You can see how gorgeous it is, how beautiful it is. I think it encapsulates everything that mom stood for. And this is my father's study. It was a very special place for us when we want to have our one-on-ones with our father, especially my son. He and my father have all their laughable moments over here, and the little one always likes to share everything with his big daddy. Also, you will see many achievements of our father here. And I think all of us as his kids, we all look up to him and he is our role model in life. My father was a rocket missile specialist in the Indian Artillery. This is a very special one for us, as you can see the rocket launcher and the regiment that he served. All of these trophies and recognition, awards, everything is of his achievements over various tournaments in hockey, tennis and golf, and many more. This is our main deck. This is where the family and all our close friends, loved ones, all of us love spending our time here, irrespective of the weather. In fact, all our board games, our catch-ups, our evening get-togethers, social gatherings, all our parties, this is the hub in the house. And we have the world's most favorite, at least my favorite view. You can see the expanse, you can see nature, you can see water. This is our lap of nature. As we walk down the hallway in our family home, I would love to share our rich and great family legacy with all of you. This is our great-grandfather, Jatidar Man Singh Hambo. In fact, he has been a freedom fighter. He has also been honored at the Central Sikh Museum in the Golden Temple. He was in fact given the title of Jatidar Hambo. Followed by my grandfather, Colonel Kapoor Singh Virk, a veteran soldier, also won a bravery award. And this is our big daddy, Major Harpal Singh Virk. He is the man the entire family looks up to, and you can see all his achievements in his study room. And this is my brother, Yuvraj Singh Virk. He is an accomplished golfer, and he is my backbone and our tech genius as well. He is an entrepreneur and the future of our family. And now we go to my room. This is my room, or shall I say our room. Since my son is born, of course, he's made this more his room, but needless to say, it is our personal space. I have beautiful pictures and moments of my son with his big mama and big daddy. He is the sunshine of our lives. Thank you for being a part of this journey, and thank you for watching this video. For more such content, like and follow and subscribe to LBB's Homely newsletter.